I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Perplexity AI to create a personalized daily plan that suits your needs and helps you stay organized throughout the day. Whether you're working remotely or looking simply to streamline your routine, this tool can be incredibly helpful in making sure you make the most of every moment. First things first, fire up your favorite web browser and navigate to Perplexity. This is where the magic happens. Once the site is open, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't already have an account, it's a straightforward process to set one up. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be in before you know it. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. This is where you'll be typing in your requests and asking Perplexity AI for help in planning your day. For instance, consider typing something like, create a daily plan for a remote worker, or plan my day with 3 hours of work, 1 hour of exercise, and time for family. Be as specific as possible about what you're looking for. The key here is to include particular details, such as your wake-up time, any critical deadlines you have, and what your top priorities are for the day. Once you hit enter, Perplexity will generate a suggested schedule based on the information you've provided. Take a moment to review the proposed plan. Consider if it aligns with your expectations and if it fits into how you envision your day. This initial schedule is a great starting point, but don't worry if it isn't perfect just yet. There are always follow-up prompts you can use to make adjustments. For example, you might want to add a 30-minute lunch break, or perhaps you want to make your mornings more focused on deep work tasks. Simply type these adjustments into the search bar as follow-up prompts and watch how Perplexity updates your schedule accordingly. This iterative process is really one of the strongest aspects of using AI to plan your day, allowing you to tailor your schedule precisely to your needs. After you've fine-tuned your plan and are happy with it, you'll want to save or copy it for easy reference. This way, throughout the day, you can easily check what you've planned, helping you stay on track and make any necessary on-the-fly adjustments. It's a great practice to have this guide at your fingertips, accessible when you need a gentle reminder or a boost of motivation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can create a well-organized and structured daily plan using Perplexity AI. Be sure to take advantage of the flexibility this tool offers and adjust as needed to keep your days productive and balanced. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.